How to fix PUBG no sound issue on Windows. 1. Reconnect your HDMI cable. 2. Check audio settings and unmute your game in volume mixer. Check your headphones in the meantime. Ensure the mic is turned on. Related tips include, check permissions. Check voice chat settings. Hint, all volumes should be up and set push to talk to voice input mode. For mobile players, check the media volume slider. And enable all master boxes in game settings. Note, you may increase all volume settings. 3. Update your audio driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Verify game files in Steam. Like this. 5. Quit and restart the game. 6. Delete apps cache data. 7. Clear RAM memory on your phone. 8. Turn on the ringer on your iPhone. 9. Call your friend. 10. Modify Steam audio settings. 10.1 Add your device to the recording, audio input, device. 10.2. Set the microphone volume to maximum and the receive volume to the maximum. 11. Modify PUBG file, GameUserSettings.ini at %.% /local /TSL game /save /config. Is voice input mute equals false? Is voice output mute equals false? Voice input volume equals 100. Voice output volume equals 112. Console players, update. Software, and update the game in time, as well. 13. Other tips are, set default audio device. Run PUBG as administrator. Like this. Run Windows Audio Troubleshooter. Close other programs that are using audio with WTM. Change the affinity of PUBG. Check the CPU 0 box only. Like this. Allow audio access for PUBG. Reinstall sound card. Restart all audio-related services. Audio Endpoint Builder and Remote Procedure Call, RPC. Disable audio enhancements in advanced speakers properties. Update or roll back audio. Drivers. Uninstall then reinstall audio drivers. Update Steam client and PUBG. Uninstall then reinstall PUBG. Like this. Console users, log out then relog in your account.